Hey guys, Rida here from graphiczone.net and welcome back to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the process I did to make this mockup design in Photoshop. First things first, I will deactivate all the layers right here. I've got gradient color, bluish one, and I brought a bag, simple bag right here. I've added to it a paper texture in order to make it look more appealing to the eye. Then I added an icon on it, plus the same texture on overlay mode. And last, I've added a shadow. I hope you found this video useful. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.